Hello beauty people, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can scrape data from any website like business name, phone number, email address, etc. So now today in this video I am going to collect data from Yellow Page directory and I am looking for car repairing and service in Francis. So for collect data automatically in any website, so we need to install a Google Chrome extension. So let's go to install this Chrome extension. So here you can see web scraper. So we are going to install web scraper free web scraping Chrome extension. So let's click on this. So I will attach this Chrome extension link in my description box. So when you visit this Chrome extension link, then just click on add to Chrome. Now let's click on add extension. Now it will automatically add it to your Chrome and it's installed. Now when you click on this extension, then here you can see web scraper free web tool. So just click on this pin icon. Now it will show here. So here you can see automatically show. Now I am going to our Yellow Page directory and here just right click and on the bottom here you can see inspect. Just click on inspect. Now it will open a developer mode. Now here you can notice a new option which is called web scraper. So this option comes from this extension. So let's click on a web scraper. Now we need to reload this page. Just reload this. So for collect business information, first we need to create a new sitemap. Just click on create new sitemap and click on this. And now we need to write a name for sitemap like Yellow Page. You can name it as you want. Start URL, just copy the URL and paste it here. Now let's click on create sitemap. Okay, so we have created a sitemap. Now we need to create new selector. Just click on that. Now we need to write a selector ID name. So for selector ID name, I am going to write link and type will be link. Now we are going to select multiple link. So for that, just select multiple and then just click on select. Now when you hover on your mouse cursor and just click on this business name link and then click on control and then click on another link. Now you can see all link automatically added. So now let's click on done selecting. Now let's click on save selector. Now let's move on first link. And now we are going to inside this business profile. Now we need to go on inside this selector. Let's click on this. Now here you can see single business details. So now let's click on new selector. Now here we need to write like business name and type will be text and selectors. This will be single selectors. So let's click on select and select this. Now click on done selecting. Now let's click on save selector. Okay. Now again for the phone number, let's click on new selector and for the ID phone number, type will be text and selector will be single. Let's click on select and then just click on the phone number. Now click on done selecting. Okay. Now let's click on save selector. Now we need to collect this website address. So let's click on new selector. Website type will be link. Selector select. Let's click on website. Done selecting. Now save selector. Okay. So there is no email address. Okay, now let's go back our previous page. Now scroll down and here you can see 57 result. So how we can collect other page? So let's do it. uh, so we need to go our sitemap. Now we need to go inside this yellow page sitemap, and then we need to create new selector. So this is page, right? So let's right name the pages, and type will be link. Okay, now let's select multiple and click on select. Now select the other. Now let's click on done selecting. Now let's click on save selector. Okay, so now we need to edit the first selector link. Let's click on edit. Now we need to parent selector. We need to select this row and then click on control and then click on pages. Now let's click on save selector. Okay, now we are going to scrape the data. So let's click on sitemap yellow page. Just click on that. And now let's click on scrape request interval. So this value should be 7,000 or 10,000. You can put 10,000 or more. So for tutorial purpose, I'm going to keep it 2000 millisecond. So now let's click on start scraping. Now the web scraper will be visit all page, all single page, and collect all data like business name, phone number, email address, and other details automatically. So now we need to wait a couple of moments. So here you can see it's automatically collecting. So the background process is running. So now let's click on this minus. And now if we refresh this, and here you can see all data is scraped, and also more scraping in our background. Just refresh. So now we are going to export this data. So let's click on sitemap yellow page and click on export data. And we are going to export the data as a CSV file. So let's click on CSV. So file name will be yellow pages, and you can write it any name. So let's click on save. So now we are going to open this CSV file in our Google spreadsheet. So let's click on open file picker, upload, browse, and it's importing. And here you go. And here you can see link, business name, phone number, website address, and some information are missing. So there is no information in the website, that's why it's missing. And here you can see website address, pages, and other information. So this is the process of automatically extract data from any website. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have any question, you can comment me. See you in the next video.